Dear students, we are going to discuss alkyl group, which is subtopic of alkane, which is related to syllabus IGCSE and O-level chemistry. Let's start alkyl group. Alkyl group. We can define the alkyl group as the species which is obtained by removing hydrogen from alkane. Its general formula is its general formula is CnH2n plus 1. It is represented by capital R. Let's see its examples. Examples we can write it as, for example, methane, after removing one hydrogen it will be called methyl. The formula of methane is CH4. You can see the tetravalency of the carbon is fulfilled by 4 hydrogen atoms. In case of alkyl group, which is methyl, its formula will be CH3 and 1 valency will be remain vacant, and this is known as methyl. Similarly, we can write for ethane, its molecular formula is C2H6, and when we will remove one hydrogen it will be called ethyl, and its formula will become C2H5, and one valency will be remain empty, vacant. Similarly, for the propane, the molecular formula of propane is C3H8, and when it becomes alkyl group, it will be known as propyl, and its formula will become C3H5 bond. Similarly, for butane, it will be known as butyl, C4H10, and in the case of butyl it will become C4H9 and one more. Uh, you can see that if we explain through the this general formula Cn H2n plus 1. If in the case of ethyl, like ethyl, this one, you can see there's two carbon, number n is 2, so we will put here C. So if you have a two carbon compound, then you will get how many hydrogen will become here? 2 multiplied by carbon number 1, 2 and plus 1. So it will become C2H5, which is ethyl. And other alkyl groups are obtained similarly by putting this in, by using this formula. Thank you so much.